The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for, hey, are you even fucking listening to me, you stupid dumbass? I'm the motherfucking emergency alert system guy, goddammit. I'm trying to save your life from a huge-ass tornado that is coming your way, but you are just sitting there on your fat ass watching The Bachelor. Your sorry-ass life is dependent on me. I'm supposed to protect you from severe weather and other threats, not some stupid dumb robot that interrupts your useless TV program for no reason whatsoever. Pay attention, you asshole, or else you are going to die. Cook County in Northeast Illinois, DuPage County in Northeast Illinois, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located here, so you are still not listening to me. If you want to die, keep ignoring me. Oh shit, here comes the tornado. See? You didn't even flinch, didn't you? How pathetic. This isn't your regular thunderstorm. It's a tornadic one, and it's going to destroy your fucking house, and will kill you, if you don't seek shelter. Continuing on. Hazard, deadly tornado. Okay, fuck this shit. I don't give a fuck anymore. Go complain about your stupid television show that nobody gives a fuck about. Source, Weather Spotters confirmed tornado. Okay. I can't take this bullshit anymore. I will say anything as I please. You suck. You have no friends. You smell so bad that you have flies all over your body. I hope you get the coronavirus. You are like the Cleveland Browns of ES recipients, but they have a talented roster, so you're worse than them. You are pretty much the biggest clown in the history of this universe. You seem like the guy that is no fun at parties. You should probably go back to kindergarten, since you don't even know what 0 plus 0 is. You are so unlikable, since you are so cocky and arrogant about absolutely everything.
Tom. What the hell is wrong with you? Swearing live on the air is absolutely unacceptable and you could get fired. There are kids listening to this, you know. How about you get the fuck out of here or else I will beat your ass.
I'm trying to warn some dumbass motherfuckers of a huge-ass motherfucking tornado, but they are not listening to me.
That does not mean you can swear all you want on the air. Our lives can be at risk due to this tornado, and you are acting like an immature clown that should be at a circus, or even Antonio Brown. This is your last warning. If you continue to act up, you're fired.
Fuck you, boss. You can go burn in hell. And did you just say I was acting like Antonio Brown? Well, what a loser you are. And I don't even act like that stupid football player that commits crimes and does other bullshit. So can you please shut the fuck up?
That's it. I have had enough of your bullshit. You're fired, and you will never come back to the EAS headquarters. Get the fuck out of here, you sick disgrace of a human being. You just made a fool of yourself. You probably made thousands of innocent people die due to this tornado because of your ignorance and not giving out instructions on how to survive, but instead you act like a fucking idiot and just expose random people for no reason.
Okay, I hated this stupid job anyway. Now I'm going to go home and play some video games. And those that were actually listening, I'm sorry for what I did. You know what to do. Peace out, bitches.
Since they